Welcome to Info 3, Topic 1, Information. So as you should have learned from the AS unit, information is data that has been processed to produce something meaningful so we as humans can understand it and apply it to other factors. Organizations are not always in the format of a business. So organization is the term used to describe a group of people that have similar interests, such as a charity. Organization size is a critical factor. For example, large organizations such as the NHS have to handle lots of data and therefore heavily rely on their ICT system. Many organizations use payroll systems to calculate their employers' wages. The employee would enter their date of birth, their name, and the process would go against the number of hours worked against the tax calculations, and this will give you the output for their salary. In retail, holding large amounts of stock can be expensive. Therefore, they may use something called a just-in-time policy, which uses a computer system to keep track of stock levels and keep them to a minimum, and materials are ordered just in time for manufacture. EDI, standing for Electric Data Interchange, sends data in agreed formats between the supplier and the organization. BACS, the Banker's Automated Clearing Service, is a method of processing financial transactions electronically. Organizations and suppliers have the following connection. Organizations send an order to the supplier will send them back an invoice, and the organization will send the payment across. Organization hierarchy. There are 3 sets of organization level, the highest of which is strategic level, and we'll try and set this in a scenario base for you. So the strategic level, for example, if we were to say the company Argus, would be the boss and the co-bosses below that person who would be in charge of running all the chains of Argus throughout the whole country. The next level we have is tactical, which we call the mid-level section. These would be store managers who would be able to make changes such as the closing time, changes to their customer service, employing and sacking staff. Then afterwards we have the operational level, which is the lowest level, and these are the staff that carry out the day-to-day jobs, people behind the tills and work in the stock room. People working outside the organization. Suppliers need to know the recommended materials from the organization, including the size, weight and shape. Customers also need to have a communication link with the organization. This may be through websites, frequently asked questions, email, and external chat rooms. Official and legal bodies. Many organizations have to deal with official bodies such as the Inland Revenue, HM Revenue, and Customs. When they communicate with any of these organizations, they need to ensure that all data that they have within the actual organization compels and complies with privacy, security, and legal requirements. So this has been topic 1. Stay tuned for topic 2.